Hello guys and ladies, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make use of Supertrend Indicator and Vortex Indicator to create a high probability strategy. I'm going to be sharing with you the settings of those indicators, the exact candle time frame, and also the expiration time I use with this strategy. Everything I'm going to be sharing with you right here on this video. If this is the first time of you seeing our content, and if at the end of this video you're able to find value on our content, do ensure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you miss any of our amazing videos. As a reminder, everything I'm going to be sharing right here is based on my own personal experience in the market. I'm a trader, I'm not a financial advisor, so if you need to take any financial decision, do ensure you consult your financial advisor. So right here on the chart, I'm going to be using these two indicators, which are the Supertrend and the Vortex indicators. So I'm going to come over to the indicators section right here. This is the Vortex indicator and this is the Supertrend indicator. So the settings of my Supertrend indicator comes with the ATR period of 8, the multiplier as 2. Right here on the style level at the up section, I'm going to be using a red color. Now set it on 2 pixels, while the down section I'm going to be using a green color and I'll set it on 2 pixels as well. So when I'm done, I'll click on save. My Vortex indicator comes with the period of 14. Right here on the style level at the VI plus section, I'm going to be using a green color and I'll set it on 1 pixels. The VI minus, I'm going to be using a red color and I'll set it on 1 pixels as well. So when I'm done, I'll click on save. So with this strategy, I'm going to be using the normal Japanese candlestick. I'll set it on 1 minute candle time frame. Not only that, I'm also be setting my expiration time on 1 minute. So right here, I'm finding an opportunity for an up position. So I'm waiting for my Supertrend indicator to give me an indication for an up position. So I have a stable candlestick right here and also my 2 vortex line intersect each other. Just give me a confirmation. I also have to wait for the Supertrend indicator to also give me indication to go into the market. So right here I have 6 seconds towards the end of this candle, maybe after the end of this candle. So right here I'm going to go for an up position. So the first thing I always put into consideration is identifying a stable candlestick. So anytime I have a stable candlestick, it always gives me an indication that the market is stable at that particular point in time. So there are enough liquidity in the market to push the market towards an upside direction. Not only that, I also look for my Supertrend indicator. Supertrend indicator gives me a confirmation on the direction of the market. So in the case of an up position, it always gives me a buy signal. The same thing with my Vortex indicator. So the two lines have to intersect each other. So in the case of an up position, the green line is always above the red line to confirm my entry level into the market. So right here, I also find another opportunity for an up position. So one thing I always put into consideration is that if I'm going to be finding a confirmation from my Supertrend indicator, I also have to be finding the same thing with my Vortex indicator. They just have to work together to give me a confirmation into the market. If it is just one indicator that give me confirmation, I don't go into the market. I also have to wait for another confirmation from the other indicator before I can find an opportunity. So right here I'm finding an opportunity for a downside position. So right here I should have avoided something. I've allowed the two lines to intersect each other before I go into the market. I just thought that this has properly intersect each other. The two lines has to properly intersect each other alongside with the indication from my super trend. So right here, I make another win. So right here, I'm finding an opportunity for an upward direction. So I'm going to go for an upward opportunity. So another thing I also put into consideration is that my two indicators has to occur at pretty much the same time to give me a strong indication into the market. So right here I have 38 seconds to go. So right here I have 6 seconds to go. Right at this point I also make another win. So I always make use of this strategy anytime the market is stable. So a situation whereby the market is in a high volatility level, I don't make use of this strategy. I hope you find value on this content, and if you do ensure you subscribe to this channel, hit notification bell so you miss any of our amazing videos. Do ensure you like our videos and let us know your thoughts on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video.